exactly what is taking place now in Zanzibar. We have a lot of rain. As I talk to you right now, it's still dripping. This is Our Lady of Perpetual Help in the rainy season. Everywhere is flooding. We have a lot of water almost everywhere. The rain has been too much. And so this is how it looks like. It's right in the river of Our Lady of Perpetual Help. Our Lady of Perpetual Help in the rainy season. In Zanzibar we experience very heavy rain, and in our parish is heavily flooded with water, and the dripping continues to the extent that we cannot access. The activities is almost paralyzed, but we hope that rain will stop. And that is why I have always been appealing, and I still appeal to you to support me with an efficient vehicle that can at least maneuver the situation of this kind. Thank you very much, and God bless. Our Lady of Perpetual Help, Zanzibar.